We got the first remnants of summer trading coming in. Let me tell you, it has been a snooze fest. So let's go right into the market outlook. I mean, here's the S&P. Over the last 6 days, we've traded in a 1.5% range. I'm hoping that, because the summer was so live last year with everyone kind of stuck inside, there were so many retail traders, there's so much money flying around. I'm hoping we don't, have the backlash of the opposite effects of that this year, where everyone's so excited to be outside, no one really cares about the market, and we're seeing the slow summer trading, kicking off like I've never seen it kick off before. But we'll see. Right now, I mean, from an price action standpoint, what the market's done over the last 6 days is great. So it held this major support level here. I'm looking at the S&P, the SPY, held this major support level last week when we were selling off. It's bounced. Now it's up near highs again. Right now, we're going sideways. This is technically very healthy. The more sideways we get, the better for long-term gains. But again, it's been really slow at these levels. We're retesting highs. We could pull back. I have no major opinions right now about the market. It's just been so slow. What are you thinking over there?
Yeah, so same thing again. We retest that prior high in the SPY. Again, what tends to happen when we retest prior highs, we get met with some sells, which we saw today. We're in this 5% range, and I think it was funny. I was reading your newsletter last night, and both of ours kind of had the same message, where it's like, it's summer trading's beginning. Volume will be light, trading will be slow. Like, just be patient and don't try to kind of overextend yourself. And we kind of had both a similar take on, kind of the summer trading.
I mean, I'm hoping it's just because it's the first Memorial Day weekend, things like that, and it won't be this bad all summer. But we'll see.
Yeah. Again, only thing sector-wise other than that was healthcare. But again, it's up through. I put a chart. I'm gonna pull up that email.
Yeah. I got it. VHC.
So VHC again just flying all-time highs again today. Bearish engulfing, so not the best sign for today, but in time through 243 at all-time highs, it looks pretty solid. So that's one sector to keep an eye on.